Sleep is essential. It's the foundation of our well-being, affecting everything from our mood to our physical health. Without adequate sleep, our bodies and minds can't function properly. We all need it to function. A good night's sleep rejuvenates us, preparing us to face the challenges of a new day with energy and clarity. Many people struggle to get enough sleep. Insomnia and other sleep disorders are common, leaving countless individuals staring at the ceiling night after night, feeling frustrated and exhausted. They turn to sleep aids for help. These medications seem like a quick fix, offering the promise of a restful night when nothing else seems to work. These medications promise a good night's rest. For many, they appear to be a miracle solution, providing the much-needed relief from sleepless nights. But they come with hidden dangers. The fine print on the labels often goes unnoticed, yet it contains crucial information about potential risks and side effects. Many people rely on sleep aids. They become a crutch, something to depend on every night without fully understanding the implications. They think these pills are harmless solutions. The convenience and immediate relief overshadow the potential long-term consequences. The truth is more complex. Doctors and health experts often warn about the misuse and over-reliance on these medications. Sleep aids are powerful drugs. They alter brain chemistry and can lead to dependency, making it difficult to sleep without them. They can have serious side effects. Dizziness, headaches, and even more severe health issues can arise from prolonged use. It's important to understand these risks. Being informed about what you're putting into your body is crucial for your overall health. You need to make informed decisions about your health. Researching and understanding the medications you take can prevent unwanted side effects and health complications. This essay will explore the dangers of sleep aids. We'll delve into the science behind these medications and the potential risks they carry. We'll also discuss safe and effective ways to improve your sleep. From lifestyle changes to natural remedies, there are many alternatives to consider for a healthier, more restful night. Sleep aids can cause immediate side effects. Drowsiness is the most common one. This can make it dangerous to drive or operate machinery. Other side effects include dizziness, headache, and dry mouth. Some people experience more severe reactions. These include allergic reactions, breathing problems, and memory loss. It's crucial to talk to your doctor. They can determine if sleep aids are right for you. The long-term use of sleep aids carries additional risks. Your body can become dependent on these medications. This can lead to tolerance. You need higher doses to achieve the same effect. Long-term use can disrupt your natural sleep cycle. This can worsen your sleep problems in the long run. Some studies suggest a link between sleep aid use and an increased risk of certain cancers. Consider the story of Sarah. She started taking sleep aids for occasional insomnia. Over time, she needed higher doses to fall asleep. She experienced withdrawal symptoms when she tried to stop. John's experience is another example. He became dependent on sleep aids after a stressful period. He experienced memory problems and daytime fatigue. These stories highlight the potential dangers of sleep aids. Section 5. Myths versus reality, debunking common beliefs. There are many misconceptions about sleep aids. Some people believe they are a harmless solution for everyone. This is not true. Sleep aids are powerful drugs with potential side effects. Another myth is that sleep aids provide natural sleep. While they induce sleep, it's not the same as natural, restful sleep. It's important to separate these myths from reality. Section 6. Natural remedies. Rediscovering restful sleep. There are many natural alternatives to sleep aids. These include establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensuring a comfortable sleep environment. Other natural remedies include regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress-reducing techniques like meditation. These lifestyle changes can significantly improve your sleep quality without the risks of sleep aids. Section 7. The importance of a holistic approach. Addressing sleep problems requires a holistic approach. This means looking beyond just the symptoms and considering the whole person. This means considering all aspects of your health and lifestyle, including physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Start by identifying and addressing any underlying medical conditions that might be affecting your sleep. This could involve consulting with healthcare professionals to get a comprehensive evaluation. Create a sleep-conducive environment by making small but impactful changes. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. These factors can significantly influence the quality of your sleep. Adopt healthy sleep habits such as avoiding caffeine and electronics before bedtime. This includes sticking to a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends. Consistency is key to regulating your body's internal clock. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include activities like reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath. Section 8. Take charge of your sleep. A call to action. Sleep is a fundamental pillar of our health, yet it's often overlooked in our busy lives. Don't let sleep problems control your life. Sleepless nights can lead to a cascade of health issues, from impaired cognitive function to weakened immunity. While sleep aids might seem like a quick fix, it's crucial to understand the potential risks. Over-reliance on medication can lead to dependency and other side effects. Explore natural alternatives and make lifestyle changes that promote restful sleep. Practices like yoga, meditation, and drinking herbal teas can be incredibly beneficial. Remember, prioritizing sleep is an investment in your overall health and well-being. A good night's sleep can rejuvenate your mind and body, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. If you're struggling with sleep, consult your doctor. They can provide personalized advice and help identify underlying issues that may be affecting your sleep. They can help you explore safe and effective solutions for a healthier, more energetic you. Don't underestimate the power of professional guidance in achieving better sleep and, consequently, a better quality of life.